This video will guide you through the process of buying and selling cryptocurrencies on Binance. Here we are, on the Binance homepage. In order to buy your first cryptocurrency, you will need to click on the tab labeled Buy Crypto. You will see that there are several options presented. We will select the option to buy with credit or debit card. You can select your local currency from the drop-down list. We will be using British pounds. Continue to enter the amount that you wish to spend and then select the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. There is a drop-down list of cryptocurrencies that are available to buy directly with your credit or debit card. If your chosen cryptocurrency isn't on this list, then you will need to buy Bitcoin or Tether. You can then use the Bitcoin or Tether to buy your chosen cryptocurrency using a trading pair. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter your credit or debit card details in order to complete the purchase. There are times when problems arise with buying cryptocurrencies on Binance with your credit or debit card. For instance, some banks don't authorize the transaction. An alternative solution is to select the third-party payment option under the Buy Crypto tab. You can then select how much you wish to spend and the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. You will need to select the Simplex payment option. As Simplex is a separate entity to the Binance platform, it has its own verification process for you to complete in order to comply with anti-money laundering laws. Once you enter your credit or debit card details, you will need to follow any identity verification instructions given. Once you have successfully purchased your cryptocurrency, it can take a little while for the transaction to be processed. You will receive an email from Binance once it has gone through. You can check your account balance by clicking on the Wallet tab and selecting Fiat and Spot. The next screen will show you your account balance and also a list of all of your integrated exchange wallets. You can change the default currency displayed on your account to make it easier to keep a track of your balance. As you can see, the Bitcoin that was purchased earlier has now been credited to the account. We will now look at how to buy cryptocurrency using the classic trading terminal. You will need to search for your chosen cryptocurrency. We will be buying Cardano using the Bitcoin we have in our account. We will therefore need to find the Cardano Bitcoin pair. In order to buy or sell cryptocurrencies using a trading pair, you need to decide on the type of order you will use. The order types we will look at are limit orders and market orders. We will then look at how to use the stop limit order to set a stop loss. In order to use a limit order, you must first make sure you click on Limit. The current price of your cryptocurrency is shown on the left side of the screen as highlighted. The purpose of using a buy limit order is for you to set the price that you wish to pay for your chosen cryptocurrency. If your set price is reached, the buy order will be filled even if you are not signed into your Binance. We wish to buy a Cardano slightly cheaper than its current price, so we will set our buy limit order lower. We have highlighted a horizontal gray line on the screen. Clicking on this allows you to quickly set how much of your account balance you wish to spend on your chosen cryptocurrency. There are 5 points, which range from 0% to 100%. We will use 100% of our Bitcoin balance to buy Cardano. Once the limit order has been set, it will appear at the bottom of the screen as an open order. It's important to remember that a buy limit order will only be filled if its set price is reached. We will now look at market orders. In order to set a market buy order, you need to first click on the Market tab. Market orders allow you to buy your cryptocurrency instantly, at market price. As you can see, when we set the market order to purchase Cardano using 100% of our Bitcoin, the trade is filled instantly. And our Cardano appears in its wallet, as highlighted on the screen. We will now look at using sell limit orders. In order to sell your cryptocurrency using a sell limit order, you just decide on the sell price, then set the order. Once we set the order, you will see it appears in open orders, where it will remain until it is filled. Using the market sell order will sell your cryptocurrency instantly, at market price. We will now look at how to use the stop limit order to set a stop loss. We will switch to the Cardano Tether pair to aid your understanding. There are 2 parameters within a stop limit order: the stop and the limit. The limit is the price at which you wish for your cryptocurrency to sell in order to minimize your losses. The stop is the trigger price. When the stop price is reached, a sell limit order is automatically placed. The current price of Cardano is just under 1.36 Tether. We will set a stop at 1.30 Tether. We will set a limit order at 1.25 Tether. This is the price we wish to sell our ADA in the event of its price falling. If Cardano's price falls to the stop price, our sell limit order will automatically be placed, and it will appear at the bottom of the screen as an open order. If it then carries on falling and reaches 1.25 Tether, the sell order will be executed and a Cardano will be sold into Tether.